Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Analytics. First, you will need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a new property for your website. After that, you must install the unique tracking code onto every page of your site. It is crucial to verify that data collection is active and accurate, ensuring all your website's traffic is being properly recorded from the very beginning. Once data is flowing, focus on core metrics. Sessions show how many times users visit, while page views indicate content popularity. Explore audience demographics and interests to understand who your visitors are. Most importantly, track conversion rates to measure how effectively your website achieves its business objectives, like purchases or signups. To gain deeper insights, customize your analytics. Define specific goals, such as a contact form submission or a product download, to measure key actions. Build custom reports to focus on the data most relevant to your business. Additionally, use segments to analyze the behavior of specific user groups, like new versus returning visitors, for targeted understanding. Finally, transform your data into actionable strategies. Look for trends and patterns, such as popular content or drop-off points, to understand user journeys. Use these insights to optimize your website's content and improve the overall user experience. Making informed business decisions based on solid data can significantly enhance your online presence and achieve your objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.